Hello, I am Bhumika Parekh and we are back with class 8, chapter 1 for living English, and the name of the chapter is Finding My Way. We are studying about how Venkat Cham became a great Bond artist and few instances from his childhood. The last paragraph we were studying about was on how he had become indebted towards black color, which was considered as inauspicious. He used charcoal for his drawings, and those paintings, those drawings only have made him very famous in real life. My folks believed writing in black increased depth. As you can see, I have come to own a huge depth to black. ठीक है Venkat believes that he has a very big depth towards black color because that has given him whatever he has today. I drew as realistically as I could. I was influenced and inspired by a set of pencil drawings I found in a trunk. He drew as realistically means as perfectly जितना ज़्यादा वो उस चीज़ को रियल बना सकता था, the more he could make it real, he would try to do that it would look as if the painting was alive. ठीक है, and he was influenced and inspired. उसको जो influential मिला था या जो inspiration मिला था, that was from a set of pencil drawings he found in a trunk. In a trunk he found a set of pencil drawings and he was very influenced by that. My mother Himalaya Bai told me they were by Uncle Jawahar, her brother. ठीक है, those paintings belong to his maternal uncle Jawahar. ठीक है, and who told him this? His mother, whose name was Himalaya Bai, told him this. Uncle died at the age of 25. I had never met him. ठीक है, the uncle whose paintings he had seen and he has been influenced with passed away when he was just 25 years. Uncle was 25 years at that time, and he passed away at that very time, and he had never met him. He did not get a chance to meet him ever. He had not met him. His only connection with the uncle is that he has seen his drawings. But people think, and I believe I am his reincarnation. But there's another thing everybody thinks, and he also believes in the fact that he is his reincarnation. Reincarnation means rebirth. So सबको ऐसा लगता है that Uncle Jawahar has taken a new birth in form of Venkat Shyam. ऐसा लगता है कि वेंकट श्याम जो है वो अपने अंकल जवाहर जो थे, उसके जो मामा जी थे अंकल, उन्हीं का रीइंकारनेशन है, वही वापस जन्म लेके आए हैं, काइंड ऑफ अ सिनेरियो. I am fulfilling his life, Jawaharlal Yuki drew everyday objects and scenes with touching realism. Okay, that I am actually fulfilling his life. I am completed what he was expected to achieve. Everybody thought that Jawahar uncle would become a great painter, but he passed away before he could do that. Okay, so here is Venkat Shyam. He is doing whatever Uncle Jawahar could not do. And he drew everyday objects with touching realism. He would draw things which we use every day. Here you can see there are a few pictures of a glass and a spoon, a clock, then there's a lock and key. Okay, so he used to draw such things that these animals are there. So he used to draw such things which we see in everyday life. Okay? And that also was a touching realism. Touching realism means something so pure that it would really come to your heart and everything. Okay? I looked for these drawings on a visit to Sijora many years ago. Many years back, he went to Sijora, that is a place where his uncle used to live, and he wanted to get those drawings. But mother told me they had been lost and destroyed when they pulled down our old house to build a new one. But his mother told him that when they were building a new house by bringing down the old house, those paintings either were lost or they were destroyed. So he could not have those paintings now. My father sought to put me into school. The principal wasn't sure if I was old enough. Okay? The father was like, okay, now the kid has to go to school, he's old enough. But the principal was not sure that is he old enough to get into the school or not. Age was determined by the child's ability to touch his left ear by taking his right hand over his head. Okay, the determination for age was not a birth certificate or an Aadhaar card or something. Age कैसे पता चलती थी बच्चे की? ये देख के if he can touch his left ear by his right hand and that also taking over his head. सर के ऊपर से हाथ ले जाना है आपको और अपने right hand से अपना left कान पकड़ना है. ठीक है, तो दैट इज द वे ही कुड, इफ ही कैन डू दैट इट मीन्स दैट चाइल्ड इज एलिजिबल फॉर गेटिंग इनटू स्कूल. ठीक है, I understood, but I held my ear the easy way, and the principal laughed. ठीक है, he understood what he was trying to say, but he holded his ear in an easy way, like normally right hand से left कान जो है वो पकड़ लिया, and the principal laughed. The principal saw that the child was smart enough. He saw I was smart, but to be safe, he changed my birth date from 2nd December 1970 to 28th October 1970, making me older and thus eligible. Okay, the principal clearly understood, okay, the child is smart enough, and what he did was he changed his birth date from 2nd December 1970 to 28th October 1970, only to make him a few months older and to be safe that he gets admission in the school. I have two birthdays now. Okay, the Venkat Cham is very happy with this thing that he has two birthdays now. One is 2nd December, which is his original birthday, and one is 28th October, which is his birthday on all the documents. When father left me with Uncle Janagar, I did not know what was expected of me. Okay, when his father has left him with Uncle Janagar, he's another uncle of Venkat, and Venkat had no idea that what was expected of him. Venkat को वहाँ पे ये नहीं पता था कि वेंकट से सब लोग क्या उम्मीद लगा रहे. Expected means keeping hopes with somebody. ठीक है, तो Venkat had no idea that what he had to do. Janagar had two assistants, Dadi Singh Urveti and Labda Sumer Singh Khusram, both a few years older than him. Okay, he had two assistants, Dadi Singh Urveti and Labda Sumer Singh Khusram, and both of them were elder than Uncle Janagar. ठीक है, अंकल जनगर से ये दोनों ही जो है वो एज में बड़े और ये दोनों उनके असिस्टेंट्स हैं. Dadi Labda used to rag me in my early days. What are your roots? They would ask. I did not understand the question, but said my roots are with me. Today I find them everywhere, my roots. ठीक है, तो these two assistants used to actually rag Venkat. Rag का मतलब होता है जब कोई नया आता है किसी जगह पर, उसको जब आप परेशान करते हो तो उसको रैगिंग कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों जो है वो मिलके वेंकट को रैग करते थे और उससे ये पूछते थे, वेयर आर योर रूट्स? कि तुम्हारा जो बेस है, रूट्स हियर डज नॉट मीन्स द रूट विच आर फ्रॉम द ट्री और समथिंग. Roots here means his base. Where does he belong to? Where does he get his inspiration from? Okay, they would ask. I did not understand the question then, but said, my roots are with me. Okay. What has happened is that he did not used to understand the question at that point of time. उसको समझ में नहीं आता था what is being asked, but he used to say my roots are with me only. कि मेरी जो जड़ें हैं, मेरा जो बेस है वो मेरे साथ ही है. उसको समझ में नहीं आता था what was being asked, but still he used to say that only. Today I find them everywhere, my roots. But today what he is saying that my roots are everywhere means he has got inspiration, he has been influenced by every place he has been. His work travels with him everywhere, wherever he goes, and his work has even traveled without him to many places. तो यहाँ पे वेंकट श्याम कह रहे हैं कि मेरी जो रूट्स है वो सब जगह है, मुझे हर जगह से इंस्पिरेशन मिला है. मैं जहाँ जाता हूँ अपने काम को लेके जाता हूँ, मेरे जो काम है वो वहाँ पे मेरे लिए एक जगह बना देता है. और बहुत बार तो ऐसा भी हुआ है कि मैं खुद कहीं नहीं गया हूँ, लेकिन मेरा काम वहाँ गया और वहाँ पे मेरे काम ने मेरे लिए जगह बना ली है. ठीक है, तो दैट एंड रूट्स हेयर ऑल्सो मीन स्ट्रेंथ. रूट्स आर यूज्ड इन अ ट्री टू और अ प्लांट टू गिव देम स्ट्रेंथ टू स्टैंड. तो यहाँ पे वो भी चीज़ है कि उनका जो बेस है वो हर जगह, उनको हर जगह से स्ट्रेंथ मिलती है. Dadi and Labda were happy to fill a painting started by Jangal with dots or lines and patterns set by the master. Dadi and Labda were his assistants. Jangar was also a Gond artist. ठीक है, तो what he used to do was he used to make the outlines of the paintings, and Dadi and Labda were said कि okay, you can make dots or fill it with lines, and that was the pattern which was set by the master, means Jangar. Jangar जो है वो बताते थे कि ऐसे ऐसे आपको ये काम करना है, और वो वैसे वैसे ही वो काम करते थे. When it came to me, I drew patterns that looked like cracked earth, the way earth appears after it soaks up. water. That when it was Venkat's chance, what he used to do was he used to draw patterns which used to look like a cracked earth. मतलब जमीन पे बहुत तेज बारिश आई है और फिर बहुत तेज धूप आ जाती है तो वो अलग से दरारें नहीं आ जाती है. There are these, small kind of cracks which come into that. He used to draw patterns that used to look like that. Jangar was impressed. Jangar was very happy with what Venkat was doing. उसको लगा कि अरे वाह, मत मेरा जो बच्चा है वो इतना बढ़िया काम कर रहा है. He's so creative in whatever he's doing. How did Jangar teach? I'm reminded of the stories Anand told me of how some Hindustani musicians teach. ठीक है. जनगढ़ का जो पढ़ाने का तरीका था वो क्या था, तो देन ही रिमेम्बर्स सम ऑफ द स्टोरीज. आनंद, वन ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड एंड हिज co-writer for the chapter, told him that how some Hindustani musicians teach, कि कुछ हिंदुस्तानी जो म्यूजिशियंस है वो कैसे पढ़ाते हैं. For years a master would make a disciple do all kinds of household drudgery and teach her how to grasp the perfect sa sajdam, which is the sargam, the principal note. ठीक है. For years, मतलब if I am a student of a musician, so I'll be staying with that person, and for years what that teacher would make me do was that boring and hard work which is done at home. रोटी बनाना है, सब्जी बनाना है, घर की सफाई करनी है, back at that they used to be cows and all, तो उनका सारा काम करना है. तो basically आप you're not being taught something, but you're actually only uh, making you do work at home, and they you teach you how to grasp the perfect sa. Sajdam means the sargam, सारे गामा पादो 7 सुर्स जो है उसका जो फर्स्ट नोट है वो आपका परफेक्ट करते थे. वो प्रिमिनल नोट मीन्स द बेसिक थिंग, द फर्स्ट थिंग. ठीक है. इफ दे वांटेड टू इंडल्ज यू, perhaps ga another note, and if they wanted to be generous to you, they wanted to be grateful to you, अगर उनको आपके ऊपर एहसान करना होता था तो वो क्या करते थे, आपको गा भी साथ में सिखा देते थे. Then just as other people wonders if she has really learned, unbeknownst to herself she can sing many ragas. ठीक है. And then till that point of the time the people used to be like कि what he is doing, not teaching anything, I'm only working day and night, nothing is happening in my life, I'm not learning anything. But unknown to the child, yeah, unknown to the pupil, unbeknownst means when you don't know what you're doing. She herself did not knew how many ragas she could sing now. ठीक है. तो एक्चुअल में बेसिकली डायरेक्टली कुछ नहीं सिखाया टीचर ने, लेकिन इनडायरेक्टली करते करते उनको इतनी सारी चीजें सिखा दी कि उनको खुद को भी पता नहीं चला और उन्होंने लाइफ में बहुत कुछ सीख लिया. तो दैट वाज द वे दे यूज्ड टू टीच, एंड दिस इज व्हाट वेंकट रिमेंबर्ड व्हेन ही वाज आस्क्ड हाउ जनगढ़ यूज्ड टू टीच हिम. ठीक है. When the newbie arrived, the new apprentice had to work on the silbatta, flat grinding stone and pestle, and grind about 2 kilos of masala, red chili, coriander seeds, cloves, cinnamon, chopped onions, garlic, and ginger into a consistent paste. Whenever a new student or a newbie means a new comer, ठीक है, यूज टू कम द अप्रेंटाइज, मतलब जो ट्रेनी होता था जिसको सिखाना है, जो स्टूडेंट होता था, उसको क्या करना पड़ता था, ही हैड टू वर्क ऑन अ सिलबट्टा. सिलबट्टा इज अ ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन, दैट बिग स्टोन ऑन विच चटनीज आर मेड. ठीक है. फ्लैट ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन होता था और उसके साथ एक छोटा पत्थर होता है, स्मॉल स्टोन, विच इज यूज टू रब इट ऑन इट सो दैट इट इज can grind all the things there. So what they used to do was they used to give them that 2 kilos of masala with red chilies, coriander seeds, dhania jo hota hai wo, cloves, long, cinnamon is dalchini, chopped onions, garlic, ginger, and that used to be given to me, and he had to make 2 kgs of paste in that. Okay. This was the first lesson. What was the first lesson of painting there? This was the first lesson that you have to work on a grinding stone. Jangar sat monitoring from a distance. He did not used to come and sit nearby. He used to sit at a distance and he used to keep looking what he's doing. If you can't grind masala well, how can you hold a brush and paint? What he felt was that if you cannot grind masala well, if you cannot work on a silbatta, अगर आप सिलबट्टे पे काम नहीं कर सकते हो, तो आप ब्रश और पेंट कैसे पकड़ सकते हो? ठीक है. दैट वाज द रीजन, बिकॉज ही यूज्ड टू फील दैट वर्किंग ऑन अ सिलबट्टा गिव्स स्ट्रेंथ टू योर हैंड्स, इट गिव्स यू पेशेंस, बिकॉज जो चीज एक बटन से हो सकता है, यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड ऑन इट. ठीक है. तो इट गिव्स पेशेंस टू योर माइंड एज वेल एज योर हैंड्स, you know when to stop. You have, you know, you gain complete control over your hands. So this was the reason why this was done. Jangar showered abuse on those who did not get it right. Jangar used to, you know, abuse, galiyan nikalte the those who could not do it properly. Jangar often broke into a song asking me to sing along our karma song, the dadariya, folk songs, and even bhajans. Okay, Jangar used to often break into singing a song. He's doing something and suddenly he would start singing song, and he would expect all the students that they also sing. And Venkat was clearly asked that you also have to sing with me. He played the flute, tabla, mandal, a kind of a drum, harmonium. He taught us to live. Art just came along. Okay, he was not only an artist painter, but he was also good at playing some musical instruments. फ्लूट हो गया, तबला हो गया, ये सारी चीज़ें भी उसको काफ़ी अच्छे से बजानी आती थी. एंड ही नेवर टॉट देम आर्ट, he only taught his students how to live. एंड आर्ट जस्ट केम अलॉन्ग, मतलब उन्होंने ये सिखा दिया कि आपको जीना कैसे है. और उन सब चीज़ों के अंदर से, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से उनको आर्ट भी वो जो है वो सिखा देते थे. सिलबट्टा वाला ऑप्शन आप ले लो, सॉन्ग्स वाला ऑप्शन आप ले लो, हाउ टू गो विद द फ्लो सिखा दिया, हैंड्स के अंदर पावर सिखा दिया, घर का काम कराया तो ऐसा बना दिया, वेर यू नेवर गेट स्टक इन योर लाइफ, इवन इफ यू आर स्टेइंग अलोन, यू आर, यू नो, सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट इन एवरीथिंग. ठीक है. That was the chapter. I hope it was clear to all. Thank you.